Mm. This is very delicious. What's up guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Praise Piano, and today I'm going to be taught how to cook chicken curry properly for the very first time. So with me I have a friend of mine who's actually going to teach me how to cook the chicken curry. So please, what's your name?
Hey guys, I'm Earl James and I'm gonna teach Praise how to cook chicken curry.
So right now we're about to go to the market to get the ingredients which we're going to be using to cook the chicken curry. So I want you guys to stay tuned and enjoy the video. We call it tatasi in my place.
What?
The English name is tatasi.
Tatasi. We call this in the Philippines red bell pepper.
But it's not really that spicy, isn't it?
No.
We just got back from the market now, and we about to prepare our chicken curry. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you step-by-step process on how to prepare the chicken curry by my friend. So I want you guys to stay tuned and enjoy this video. And in case you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so you can be to get future video even as I upload. So I want you guys to stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Right now we're actually done preparing the ingredients for the chicken curry and we're about to cook it. But first, I will introduce the ingredients. This is the garlic, onions, red bell pepper, carrots, potato, and coconut milk. And of course, chicken, the main ingredient, and some seasonings, and curry powder also. First the garlic and wait until it's golden brown before you cook the onions. So we'll put carrots first before the potato because the carrots is it's too long to get softened rather than the potato.
And mix it. And wait until it boils again.
So like maybe like 10 minutes?
No, not really. I guess 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay,
And mix it.
Well, I think chicken curry is quite very easy and seems like it's very fast to cook.
Yeah.
But between chicken adobo and chicken curry, which one is more difficult to cook?
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry?
Yeah.
Okay, adobo is quite very easy.
It's quite very easy because you will prepare the ingredients and mix it all in one and make it cook.
So chicken curry is like you just put the chicken straight. You just start cooking it without having to dry the water from the chicken and keeping it somewhere and before you mix it together, isn't it?
Yeah. Because this is the way I cook chicken curry.
Ah. But is there any other process or other method of cooking chicken curry rather than this method? Or
Yeah.
Okay. So what other
There's
method?
some method of they're boiling first the chicken.
Okay.
Saute the onions and the garlic and add on all the ingredients.
Ah. but still the same taste after the whole process. If maybe, okay, let's say for example now it has 3 processes of cooking, like different types, depending on how you choose to cook the chicken curry.
Yeah.
After you finish cooking, it still have the same taste.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. What's his name?
Yeah, it's
Magic syrup. All in one. That's chicken curry, onion, chili, everything are all
Garlic,
included inside it. Okay. So that's why you don't really need to put chili on. I think there are also chili on also inside the magic syrup.
I think so.
Okay.
I'll give it
But why didn't you put the chicken cubes? Okay, you put already the chicken cubes also.
Not yet.
Ah,
I will put it right now.
So this is Ajinomoto.
Tagalog it's
So what does this Ajinomoto does to the chicken curry?
it makes tastier.
Okay.
Finally. Cubes. That's it. You should do this, bro.
So
To
that you
melt.
can absorb the
And spread it.
so that it won't get stuck in just one
Yeah,
direction. Okay, okay. This is actually the first time I'm learning something like this, because you know, if I really want to melt that stuff down, I will have to get separate water and I use my hand and try to squeeze it so that it can be on the.
I understand.
Okay, so this is a different method. I just saw
Different
this.
method too.
Okay. I just learned something now.
Oh shit.
It looks like breast milk from a cow. Okay.
We're almost done. Red bell pepper.
This is very delicious. You need to try this, huh? I'm serious. For those of you who haven't eaten Filipino food, this food is very, very, very tasty, and it's masarap. That's delicious in Tagalog. So, cheers. Sarap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I want you guys to take good care of yourself and make sure you maintain social distancing, stay safe, and ingat.